Show, and now we have Tony Su, sales manager from Tai-Yen. Hello, Tony. Can you introduce yourself and your company?
Yep. Hello, I'm Tony. We are your welding partner. We are a Taiwanese company, and we make different kind of product, including high frequency and also ultrasonic welding machines. And our product can use for different kind of product. For example, mainly for the automotive project, and also medical product, stationery, and also packaging and other products that need practical welding.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Can you tell me more about your main feature, about your main product?
Okay. So actually, I would like to highlight our advantage first, because we can offer the automatic production line and the setup. We would like to offer a total solution, including choosing the raw material for our customers. Also, also design the production line, and also create a mold and tooling for our customers. That's also total solution for our customers. Not only the selling machine, but total solutions.
Okay, Tony, thanks for your time.
Yeah.
If you want more information, please check the link below. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.